All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So draw. Draw, like this. Draw. There we are. Draw. To make art of something. To draw. Draw. Here we are. Yeah. Yeah, there we are. Art. Let's have a look. Art. Ah, here we are. To draw. Very good. Yeah. So, to come to something. Draw it out. We drew them out. I want to draw the picture. He knows how to draw. He wants to draw more. Draw more. Very good, yeah. We drew, we came to different conclusions from the information. Here's the information. I drew this conclusion. He drew that conclusion. We came to something. We came to something. In this case, it's different conclusions, different thoughts about something. I drew the picture last night. He drew it just now in front of us. He drew it just now in front of us. How is that possible? How was that possible? How was that possible? She needs to draw a different conclusion now. Things have changed and the conclusion has to be drawn differently. Things have changed and they need to draw different conclusions now. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. They are planning to draw more portraits in the future. Portrait. Let's try and get a picture of a portrait. Not quite. Okay. Oh, perfect. Yeah, more portraits. Like that. Yeah. But how are they going to draw more in the future? Yeah, how are they going to draw more in the future? Draw. Well, they're going to get better and improve their skills. As they improve their skills, they can draw better things or better art. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use draw in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as Udemy. Yeah. When you search for Adrian Nanchev or English with Adrian. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.